He instantly lifts your spirits and grabs your attention. His large, expressive sunflower-shaped head with voluminous petals creates a wow effect from the very first moment. His kind face, smile, and stylish glasses give the character charisma. He looks modern, friendly, and very alive. This character instantly becomes the center of attention at any event. The look is complemented by stylish clothing in bright, contrasting colors. It's not just magical, but fashionable and memorable. It's the perfect combination of the classic symbol of the sun and a modern character for both children and adults. Lightweight and comfortable head design, good ventilation and visibility, comfort during extended wear, durable and wear-resistant materials, quick to put on and take off, perfect for children's parties and birthdays, outdoor events and festivals, shopping malls and promotional events, photo zones and stage shows. People want to take pictures with him, hug him, and follow him. It evokes emotions, draws people into the fun, and creates an atmosphere of warmth, joy, and sunshine, even on a cloudy day. You get not just a character, but a powerful tool for attracting guests, engaging the audience, and boosting profits at events.